Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing SAT level 5 problems. It is a part of a trigonometry problem where I have a triangle. This is a triangle ABC. Of course, this is a 90-degree right triangle. And one of the length of this triangle is 160. Angle is a 30-degree. And we need to find AC. So let's start. So I have a triangle. And A, B, C, 30 degrees, 160. Okay, let's go about a little bit of basic behind this kind of triangle. So every time you have a right triangle and you have angle like this is called angle of reference. Angle of reference. Okay, so if this is my angle of reference, the length that is opposite to my angle of reference, which is this one right here, I would want it to be represented by letter A, small letter A. And this is a base, I want it to be represented by B. And the hypotenuse, which is the longest side in my right triangle, is always represented by C. And I know, if you guys noticed, the naming of my triangle is a little bit confusing. It is ABC. You know what? It doesn't matter if it ABC. Regularly, if it is A, this is vertices. The opposite would be A. But mind you, we're not following that concept. We're using a concept of reference angle. Side opposite to my reference angle is A, B, C, and it will help you down the line using sine, cosine, and tangent expression. So let's start. I have A, which is here. I have angle C. I don't have BC. I don't have AC. They want us to find AC, which is here. So I need to find an expression that include A, which is here, and that includes C. I don't need to worry what B is in this problem. So let's find out. There are three standard expressions: sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. So sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? Cosine is base over hypotenuse. And tangent is opposite over base. So these are three basic standard expressions. Let's put it in terms of letter that we developed. Opposite, we said it was A, which is right here. Hypotenuse is C. Cosine, base is B. Hypotenuse is C. Tangent, opposite is A. Base is B. Okay. So out of these three expression, you noticed the term that only has A and C is sine theta. Rest you have B or C or A and B. So I'm not going to use cosine or tangent for this problem. I'm going to use sine of theta. Sine theta states A over C. So, but I already have my theta, which is sine of 30 degrees. A over C. So what is A over C? So A is 160. C I don't know. So this part right here is a fraction. So it is always helpful if you introduced 1 underneath here and also make it look like a fraction. So what you can do is you can follow cross multiplication rule, because there are two opposite sides of equation and two fractions, right? So sine 30, let's not use this is a no calculator section problem. So we're not allowed to use calculator. So sine of 30 times C, because I'm multiplying that, and then 160 times 1 is basically 160. I am finding C, so I don't want sine 30. I don't want sine 30. Okay, so sine 30 goes away. C is 160 sine 30. Okay, so now what is sine 30? How much is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1/2. And the reason you have to actually remember these values. You can create 30-60-degree triangle. I would be explaining more about that triangle in one of my separate videos. So let's do this problem here. 1/2, or you can also use 0.5. So in my case, I'm not going to use fraction 1/2 because it's already in a fraction format. I don't want to introduce next fraction and make it look more confusing. So in this case, I'm going to use 0.5. So 160 divided by 0.5. So I'm just taking half of this. So you're dividing 0.5. There is a trick. Every time when you do this kind of problem, when there is no calculator section, there's a trick. If a number less than 1 and you're dividing, your actual result goes up. If a number is greater than 1, then your result goes down. Just for a hint. So if you know you have 160 somehow, you know what? Oh, 0.5. So 160, 80. Okay, that's wrong because your result should go up. So just twice 160, which would be 320. Okay, so C in my case represented AC, and it was 320. So your answer for AC was 320. So 320, and that would be my answer. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more level 5 problem in SAT to come, and I will be explaining that 30-60 triangle in my separate videos. Thank you.